I just visited a tile showroom and you're gonna love what I found. Soci is one of my favorite tile vendors, and I went to their showroom to learn about what new products they have on the market. While I was there, I got a refresher course on the differences between porcelain and ceramic tile. I'm going to tell you those differences now. Both porcelain and ceramic are very durable tiles, meaning they can go in practically almost any area. They can go in your living room, in your kitchen, your bath, the dining, basically anywhere that you would like tile, porcelain and ceramic can pretty much go there. One of the major differences is that porcelain tile is kiln dried at a higher temperature, meaning that it is more durable than ceramic. This makes porcelain even suitable for outdoor areas such as your patio or your pool. The great thing about porcelain is that it's also more resistant to water and wear and tear. That means that it's great for wet areas and places like the pool. Porcelain is also less porous, making it easier to clean and less likely to stain. Because porcelain is more durable, lasts longer, and because of its hardness and it's more harder to cut, it can be a little bit more expensive than ceramic tile. So don't be surprised when you go to purchase ceramic and notice that it's a lot cheaper than porcelain tile. Because ceramic tile isn't as hard and durable as porcelain tile, it can be more subjective to long time wear and tear, meaning that you may have to replace ceramic tile more often than porcelain. That being said, porcelain can be a cheaper option if you're looking at the longevity of the product, because porcelain will last much longer over time. I also got an opportunity to see some of their new water jet tile. Water jet means that these porcelain tiles have been cut by a very high pressure water, making all of the cuts very clean and precise, something you just can't get by hand cutting. Water jet tiles are very similar to mosaics in that they come in very small pieces and sometimes even bigger cut pieces. They usually also even have a backing, like a mesh backing on the back of it, so that way it's easier to apply on the wall and even the floors. Be careful when selecting tile for wet areas such as the bathroom and other places where water is, like the floor and the wall, especially in the shower. I like to make sure that the coefficient of friction is at the very highest rate in order to reduce slipping and sliding in the bathroom. You don't need any type of mistakes there, right? Because of that, I always stay away from polished surfaces when it comes to the floor. I prefer to have something with a satin finish, sometimes a honed finish. That way in the shower and in places on the floor, you have a little bit of friction, so that way there is no slipping and sliding. Pebbles are okay, but just be very careful with your selections. I would talk definitely to your tile showroom or even discuss any options that you have with your designer for the best tile options for your floor. Now that you know the differences between ceramic and porcelain tile, which do you prefer? Comment below in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Well, that's all for me today. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that way you're always made aware of when I post new videos. Hope to see you soon.